NCERT book, ninth class. So, polynomials, I will start with the name. What is the meaning of polynomials? Poly means many, and nomials means terms. So, polynomial means where there are many terms. Okay, this is simply I am telling you the meaning of the polynomial. It is many terms. Now, coming to how to discuss, first I will start with algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Okay, what are algebraic expressions? They are simply those expressions where we are having variables, constants, and some operations going among them. Like we can have 2x plus 3 or 5y minus 2, or it could be z plus 3 by 2. So these all are what? They are nothing but algebraic expressions where there are constants and variables. I use two terms, constant and variable. So what is the meaning of it? Constant means constants are constant. Their values will not be changed in a particular situation. And variable means those whose values varies. Whose values varies with a particular situation. Like if you look for the expressions, so in the expressions, these x, y, z, they are nothing but variables. And your numbers 3, 2 and 3 by 2, these are constant. Means this 3 is not going to change throughout the equation, throughout your solution. But this x will depends upon the situation and its value can vary. So how to understand this thing? Suppose there is a square. आप सबको पता है स्क्वायर का एरिया हम कैसे निकालते हैं? We find out by multiplying the sides. So let us say the side is x and x. Okay. So the value can be find out with x square. ठीक है? Now this is x square. I told you x is variable. Now what is the meaning of variable? That I am telling you. आपको जब भी किसी स्क्वायर का एरिया निकालना है, what you have to do? उसकी सारी साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं. Put the value here and you will get the answer. So suppose if side is 5, you just put it here. It will become 5 square is equal to 25. Okay. Suppose x is 3. You just put 3. It will become 3 square is equal to 9. So what you have seen, the value of x square, it is changing with the situation. Whenever x is 5, it became 25, the answer. Whenever x is 3, it became 9. That means variables depend upon the situation and they varies. But the constant remains the same. So how to explain constant? Suppose this is a square. So if one side is x, all other sides are x. So for finding its perimeter, perimeter is what? 4x. Perimeter क्या होता है? Sum of all the sides. Square की आप सारी sides को add करेंगे क्या आएगा? 4x. So perimeter is 4x. Now suppose going for these two sides. अगर मुझे x की value 5 पता है, for side 5, I have to find out the perimeter. So what you will do? You just put here 5, so it will become 4 multiply 5, which is 20. Then for 3 it will be, for 3 the value is 4 multiply 3, which come out to be 12. So again we have seen this thing, that this x is changing with the situation. Whenever x is 5, the value is coming out to be 20. Whenever x is 3, the value is coming out to be 12. What is constant here? 4 is not going to change. But in this case, this 4 is coefficient of x. We used to call it as coefficient of x, that I will take later. So for this time, you should know what is the difference between constant and variable. So these are algebraic expressions with constant and variables. So polynomials are those algebraic expressions which are having many terms. If in simple language I say, polynomials are those algebraic expressions where there are many terms. So one thing to notice in it, like अभी मैंने आपको ये 3 एग्जांपल्स दिए थे एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस के. आपने क्या देखा, यहाँ पे x की पावर क्या है 1, इन दिस केस ऑल्सो 1, इन दिस केस ऑल्सो 1. लेट अस टेक सम मोर एग्जांपल्स. सपोज इट इज x स्क्वायर प्लस 5 अपॉन 3x माइनस 2, then x cube minus 3x, then y square minus root 2y, then root 2z minus 1. अब मैंने ये 4 एक्सप्रेशंस लिए हैं. अब आप इन्हें ध्यान से देखें. इन फर्स्ट केस x की पावर क्या है? व्हाट इज द एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ x? Here it is 2, here it is 1. Okay. In this case it is 3 and 1. Here it is 2 and 1. Here the exponent of z, क्योंकि ये रूट है तो इसका मतलब यहां एक्सपोनेंट क्या होगा? हाफ माइनस 1. तो पॉलिनोमियल्स की अभी डेफिनेशन मैंने आपको क्या बताई? दैट algebraic expressions which are having many terms. Now we will add on one more thing, that is the condition. In the algebraic expression, the exponents should be whole numbers. Means these exponents of variables, they should be whole numbers. If they are not whole numbers, then they are not polynomials. So whole numbers का क्या मतलब होता है? Their values should be 0, 1, 2 and so on. They should not be negative. They should not be in fraction. So this is the important thing to note down. Although one more thing, if polynomial is having many terms, still it is finite. Polynomial में many terms होती हैं, लेकिन फिर भी polynomials finite होते हैं. Second thing, polynomial के केस में the exponent, the power of the variable should be a whole number. That means it can't be a negative and it can't be in fraction. So these two things you should remember. Okay. Degree is what? Degree is the highest power. Okay. Highest exponent in an algebraic expression or a polynomial of a particular variable. Like, so the degree of this expression is 3. This is the highest one. In this case, it is 2. So it is the highest power of a variable in the algebraic expression, that is known as degree. Okay. So in 2 ways we can divide them. First one on the basis of terms. Second one on the basis of degree. So first one on the basis of terms. टर्म्स का मतलब होता है जितने भी टर्म्स आप एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन या पॉलिनोमियल में लिख रहे हैं उसके ऊपर आप कैसे टाइप्स बता सकते हैं पॉलिनोमियल्स के. द फर्स्ट वन इज मोनोमियल. मोनो का मतलब होता है 1. नोमियल इज टर्म्स. सो जहां पे 1 टर्म होगी वो मोनोमियल पॉलिनोमियल होता है, जैसे कि 5x 2y 3z and so on, where there is a single term. Second one is binomial. Whenever there are 2 terms, like this way, they are binomial. Trinomial means where there are 3 terms, like or so on, where there are 3 terms, they are trinomials. So these are monomial, binomial and trinomial, where there are 3 terms, 2 terms and 1 term. Now on the basis of degree. On the basis of degree, the first one is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial where the degree is 1, like x plus 2, y plus 3, z plus 4. Here you can see that the variable is having the power 1. So it is linear polynomial. Second one is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomials where the degree is 2, like and so on. Where the degree is 2, we can say that it is a quadratic polynomial. Third one is cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial means where the degree is 3, like this way. So these are cubic polynomials where the degree is 3. Okay. Now the thing to understand. First one is, what are these numbers? Are they polynomial? Yes. 5, 6 or any number, any constant is a polynomial and they are known as constant polynomial. They are constant polynomial because we can write them as 5x raised to the power 0 and 6x raised to the power 0. We can write them in this form also. So these are constant polynomial. The numbers which are not having any x, y or z, still they are polynomial because we can assume a variable with them having power 0. And you know, if a variable is having power 0, any number having power 0, that means it is 1. So this is constant polynomial. Now one more thing, is 0 is a polynomial? Yes, 0 is a polynomial and it is very important polynomial. That is why we have given it a name which is 0 polynomial. Because in this case also you can write it as 0x0. This way we can write it. That is why 0 is a polynomial. Okay, this is the first thing. Now the second thing, what is the degree of constant polynomial? Because we are multiplying here with x raised to the power 0, that is why the degree of the constant polynomial is 0 always. Constant polynomial has the degree 0. In the case of 0, what is the degree of 0 polynomial? In the case of 0 polynomial, we don't know by which number we are multiplying it. Because by whatever number you multiply, it will become 0. So we don't know whether the highest power is 0, 1, 2 or 3 there. So we used to say that 0 polynomial, its degree is not defined. So degree of a 0 polynomial is not defined. Okay, this much you understand. Constant polynomial and 0 polynomial. These both are very important. Then one more thing I want to say, that whenever there is a linear polynomial, always remember it can have at most 2 terms. Linear polynomial में at most 2 terms होंगी, इससे ज़्यादा terms possible ही नहीं है. In the case of linear polynomial, there will be 2 terms, not more than that. In the case of a quadratic polynomial, there is always at most 3. At most का मतलब ये होता है कि 3 से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकते, 3 से कम जरूर हो सकते हैं, लेकिन 3 से ज्यादा टर्म्स क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल में पॉसिबल नहीं है. इसी तरह लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल में 2 से ज्यादा टर्म्स नहीं हो सकती और क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल में 4 से ज्यादा टर्म्स नहीं हो सकती. सो एट मोस्ट ओनली 4 terms are possible in a cubic polynomial. We have studied today. We have studied the introduction of polynomial. Then I told you about variables, constant. Then I told you how to differentiate or how to just divide the polynomials on the basis of terms, on the basis of degree. Then I told you about constant polynomial. And in last we have discussed about 0 polynomial. Then I also told you how many terms are possible at most in linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial.